want to start selling oil, just buy a bottle of oil like this. It's around 80 to 90 pesos, and some groceries and malls, it's only, you can make around 10 to 15 of this. Usually you can sell this between 7 pesos to 10 pesos, or even 12 pesos. Now I'm going to show you how to make small packs of oil. First, you have to put it in a small cup of tea, sir, like you have to buy a small cup of tea, sir, like this. It's only around 20 to 30 pesos. Yeah, you don't have to make it so full, just enough. Then I'm going to put this inside the small plastics. Next is I move the small cup teaser outside, then put this thing here. You should put a bowl so that it won't, if the oil gets spilled, it only goes here inside the bowl. No waste. Then put here in the measuring cup. Make sure nothing left in the small cup. Now I'm going to put inside the oil in a small pack. Make sure that the entrance of the small pack is wide open. This can be so tricky. Just pour it slowly inside the small pack. You can sell this for around 5 to 10 pesos as well. Make sure the small pack of plastic you buy is good quality and can be burst instantly. Dapat ito ay high quality ang small pack mo na plastic. Pwede mo itong ibenta sa halagang 5 to 10 pesos. Ayan, napasok na lahat. Ayan, we're going to blow now for take some air. just seal it tightly so that if you can do it, make it quick so that the air won't escape. There you go, our finished product. It's ready to sell now. I already make 3 of them. And that is all. Thank you for watching Biryudas YouTube channel.